Hello, my name is Rich Howard, owner of Architectural Builder Supply. In this video is to bring you a closer look at the Irwin number 30514. This is a left-hand mechanics length Cobalt high-speed steel drill bit in a 7/32 size. This is a package of 6. Just trying to gingerly get that package open. Cobalt is meant for applications where you might be drilling into hard plate. Cobalt, from what I have learned, from what I understand, can be run about 20% faster, which is going to require more pressure. Not appropriate for all materials, but would be appropriate for harder materials. And the science of drill bits is deep and deserves its own study. Cobalt is just considered by the general public to be very high quality. It is. It's just a tool used for a specific application, and it may not be appropriate for what you're doing. I wouldn't use cobalt bits for drilling through mild steel. I would just use black oxide, high-speed steel type, bits. But particular applications where the material's harder, or you're going to run faster, RPM-wise, and this is a left-hand model, might look to you not unusual, but when you study the helix design, it's certainly left-hand. 305 series from Irwin, that does mean they're Cobalt series. 8% cobalt alloyed for higher heat and abrasion resistance. Heavy-duty spiral flute design produces faster chip ejection. Shorter cutting lips reduce torque in drilling in high tensile strength materials. The science of how all of these geometries are put together, the angle, the lip length, the helix angle itself, the rake, it all conspires to give you a bit that will hopefully work for your application. Drill into fasteners without tightening them. That's what a left hand is going to give you. Okay. Very typical for fastener removal. This is a 7/32 of an inch size. Overall length of the bit is about 3 1/8. It has a flute length of 1 5/8. There is a reference guide down below this video showing, I believe really what it shows is on the last page, drilling speeds that are recommended for what you're drilling into. There is also an RPM calculator that's there that allows you to determine square foot per minute. It's a cutting speed sort of calculator that's there, and gets, like I said, the science of drilling is, if you're just drilling holes through 1/8 of an inch steel, you don't care about any of this, and you're probably not buying a left-hand Cobalt. But if you're a safe technician, you care about all of this because that science is directly related to what you do, and doing it without a proper understanding of what you're working on. I thought for a moment this might be going to a safe technician or a lock shop, this bit, because it would be, it could possibly be suited for safe work. All of that conspires together to put you in a position to have the right tool for the project. Also, that reference guide is handy because if you're drilling and tapping, it will give you the drill size for a specific thread size. So that's a nice chart to have there. There's also a product brochure, which is the metal drilling catalog from Irwin. What I like to do if I'm looking for something in particular and I've got something I already know, let's say I know that I want a 305/14, I might do a search in the catalog for that and find my left-hand Cobalt mechanics length drill bits with a 135-degree point. That's a flatter point. I like those flatter points. They don't center as well as a 118-degree point, but they do evacuate material out, reducing the wall thickness of what's left as the bit runs through the material and breaches out the other side. In my experience, giving me less opportunity to seize the drill, but I don't make a living drilling holes. The other sizes are listed there. The other part numbers for those sizes are listed there. And then all of the sister products related to, left-hand mechanics Cobalt bit. So the catalog is handy because it will allow you to find other items that you might be interested in or learning about, other things that are available from Irwin. Finally, there is a link below this video to the manufacturer's page where you can pull up not only all of the Irwin products that we sell, but a link to the manufacturer's website, as well as a link to the full product catalog. I'm partial to Irwin, not only because I'm a distributor, but because I use the products personally and can attest to the high performance of much of the product line. Any questions on the 30514 7/32 of an inch left-hand Cobalt fractional mechanics length drill bit with a 135-degree split point, or any other Irwin product, please feel free to reach out to us. And thank you.